Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. Are you getting the unable to establish connection with game servers error in CS2? Don't worry. You don't need to reinstall the game for this method. Sometimes this problem happens because the current game session or connection gets temporarily stuck. So we're going to refresh the session and then try connecting again. Let's get started. First, open CS2. Click play. Go to practice. Select casual. Choose any map. And start the game. Once you're in the match, play normally for a few minutes. You can move around and play as usual. This gives CS2 some time to establish a new game session. After about 3 or 4 minutes, press escape. Select exit to main menu. Click yes to confirm. Don't close CS2. Just return to the main menu. Now click play again. And try connecting to a game server. If the previous connection was temporarily stuck, CS2 should now be able to connect normally. If you're still getting the error, restart CS2. Then try connecting again. If the problem continues, you may need to check other things like your internet connection, Steam files, or firewall settings. If you're still facing any other problem, let us know in the comments. We'll try our best to guide you. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Guidify. Thanks for watching.